Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a simple review of this Dove Beauty Bar soap. In this video review, I'll be telling you about my own personal opinion on this bar of soap, and I'll also be showing you how to use it to moisturize your skin and clean your skin. Let's get right into the video. This is the bar of soap, and this is the box that it came in. As you can see, it says Dove Beauty Bar. It's a white bar of soap and it has moisturizing cream within it. Now I like the packaging because it comes in this box, so it's really easy to store in your linen closet or in one of the cabinets in your bathroom vanity, and you can stack them on top of each other because it's really easy to store in a box like this. When you remove it from the box, the first thing that you'll notice is the smell. It smells absolutely incredible. After you've used this to clean your hands or to shower with, the whole area around it is going to smell of this amazing aroma. Now it's really easy to use, and the beautiful thing about it is just touching the soap, I can already feel my hands are nice and soft and moisturized. Just touching the soap, it works so well. If you have sensitive skin or dry skin, this is going to be the soap that you should be using, in my opinion, because it's going to moisturize your skin. I use this soap all the time. It's one of my favorites, and I really enjoy the smell. I really feel like I'm in a spa when I'm using it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. You're going to turn on the water, and I'm going to use it to wash my hands, but you can shower with this. You can use it really to wash any part of your skin, and it'll moisturize it and make your skin nice and soft as well. So I'm going to turn on the water. It's going to be a little bit loud over here. I'm going to just probably turn it on at a low pressure so that it's not that loud. What you want to do is get your skin wet. So I'm going to get my hands wet first. Then I'm going to get the bar wet, and I'm just going to use it just like this, just to lather up my hands, okay? And once you use it to lather up the skin, you just get that smell. It just smells amazing. And place it to the side. It's a beautiful aroma. I'm going to rub all of my skin around my hands with it, okay? Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rinse it off. You can let it sit on your skin for, a few moments, but usually I find that the effects are already good as soon as you wash with it. So now I'm going to rinse off the soap, okay? So now I've rinsed off the soap. My hands are not soapy anymore. I'm going to turn off the water, but my hands feel moisturized. That's the beautiful thing about this beauty bar. When you're done using it, your hands are not soapy, your skin is not soapy anymore, but it feels moisturized. So when my hands dry, they tend to not be as dry. So when they actually dry from the water, so I'm just going to take a paper towel. I would usually dry with a towel, an actual towel, but I'm just going to use a paper towel. And even using something as coarse or as harsh as a paper towel, my skin still feels soft. Overall, it is awesome. I'm a huge fan of this beauty bar. I've been using this soap for a while now, and I really just appreciate it. So I figured that I would do a review of this to tell you my own opinion about it, and then sort of tell you how to use it to soften your skin and moisturize your skin. Overall, it is, in my opinion, incredible, and I'm a huge fan of it. My wife likes to use it as well. We're both huge fans of it, so I just wanted to make this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.